Hi, Eric here. I just wanted to go over a couple points about getting the best audio and video, both for interacting in the online conference and meetings, and also making videos and content for your students. So the one thing I want to talk about is maybe a camera. So whether you're using a laptop or a webcam or something, you want to make sure it's up at least at your sight line or maybe slightly above. And so I've got mine just sitting on the top of my screen in front. And so that just helps you see a little bit better. So we're not kind of looking up your nose. Also lighting, make sure there's no windows or any really bright light sources behind you, because that'll kind of wash out the camera. So you want to put any lighting actually behind the camera if possible. And that could be as simple as, I just get a little desk lamp here and put that behind my camera, which you can see in the photo right here. Or making sure that your setup, your computer is pointing towards a light source, like a window. Also make sure you know what time of the day you're going to be in. So if you set up and do that, but then your meeting or your whatever recording is going to be after dark, plan accordingly.